Well, hello everyone, and welcome to week 2 of our 556 class. I hope everyone had a restful weekend. Kind of crazy, all this rain, lightning, and thunder. It's what we need, but it feels like it's an anomaly here in Southern California. But nevertheless, I hope you all had a nice weekend, and we're on to week 2. At the end of this week is on Sunday night, midnight is when you're going to have your first written assignment due. So make sure you take a look at the rubric, look at the information. We're going to look at that here in a second. Just wanted to show you that I posted an announcement for the week 4 because I wanted you to get started on your week 4 assignment. So make sure you look it over. This is the assignment, the case study. And then remember, I gave you some examples. Here are the pairs, but we do have one trio because we have 15 in the course. So make sure that you reach out to each other by email and or connect. You can use whatever form of that you want to connect with, whether it be Google or Google Hangouts, whatever it might be, okay? Here are the group assignments. Now remember, the groups are different than the pairs, okay? The groups are really for that week 8 assignment, so make sure that you touch base with your group just so that everybody knows each other, and then, but make sure that you're touching base with your pair because that assignment will be due at the end of the 4th week, and then you'll be presenting your Prezi, your PowerPoint, whatever it might be, on the 5th week, and it's just a 10-minute presentation, and so I wanted you guys all be ready for that. All right, so I did put here the case study information, so if you want to make sure you take a look at it, I just put some examples here. It just gives you an idea of what to expect. So make sure that you review that, and I appreciate everybody introducing themselves and for that week 1 question, and I'll be looking at those and getting your grades out for those soon. So let's just go into week 2, take a look at it as my internet fires up. So in week 2, you're just going to watch this overview, and then you're going to go ahead and read and watch the Proposition 13 video, which is informative. It just gives you a lot of information about Prop 13 and really what happened and how it started and how it affected California education and California in general. So, and then you're going to make sure you read chapters 2 and 3. Complete the learning module. This is the week that you have your learning module, so you'll just click on your learning module, hit play, and it goes through your learning module and so forth.
Welcome to the Public Education and the American Dream
So make sure that you guys do that, and you'll be all set. Your opinion paper, the information's right here. I always recommend that you click on the link, and when you click on the link, you can take a look at the same directions, but then you can go ahead and view the rubric, and that's where you're going to submit the assignment as well. So here's your rubric. Make sure you take a look at that rubric. And if you have any questions, remember, you can reach out to me by text, phone, email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So week 2, I would suggest getting your papers done, that Sunday night for some of you, getting ready for Halloween, things of that nature. Make sure you budget your time and so you can get things in and done. So the week 2 discussion, make sure that you, and I already see a couple responses, which is perfectly fine. You're going to go ahead. What are your experiences and your views on parent choice? And you may include public versus private schools, interdistrict and open enrollment policies, charter schools, and NCLB legislation. And really, NCLB legislation has given way to the new ESEA, Elementary Secondary Education Act. And so you want to make sure that you can make reference to that. But choice is an issue. There's districts that promote choice with their district. There's some districts that don't release kids because it's an impact on their ADA. And so there's a lot going on out there, and I look forward to seeing some of your responses. You make sure you use the book to shape your any of your readings to shape your responses, and with your initial response, do include citations whenever possible. Okay. So that's it, really. That's just week 2 in a nutshell. You just have your written assignment. If you have questions, like I said, just reach out to me by phone, email, or text. And I hope that you all have a good week. And we'll be seeing you next week on Tuesday night for that week 3 live session. Okay? Have a great one. Take care. Bye-bye.